Dear students, this is module number 40 for the subject of Strategic Human Resource Management. This module is again in continuation of the 10 roles identified by CIPD, Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development. This institute or this organization is based in the United Kingdom. We will continue with the 10 areas, and we have talked about the first 4. The fifth one is performance and reward management. When I say performance management, I'm talking about that performance management as a process. So performance management and reward management are part of the performance and reward interchangeably or including in it. The reason could be that this is a process. Performance appraisal and performance management are two slightly different things. Performance appraisal is a very narrow term and is a narrow activity. You have often heard about performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is part of the performance management, or the performance management is the umbrella term that encompasses various components, and performance appraisal is one of those. Appraisal का क्या मतलब है? Evaluation. When your immediate supervisor or somebody evaluate your performance. Actually, the person is doing performance appraisal. So the performance management is one of the key role or key area of HR professionals. You have to manage the performance, not only evaluate the performance. So performance management is a quite comprehensive and it's a complicated subject as well, because to make sure that employees perform well, you have to provide them the training, you have to hire the right type of employees, you have to give them the reward, you have to offer them skills and abilities, the culture and the structure. In other words, this is why we say, or I have said in the beginning, that performance management is a bigger term than performance appraisal. However, performance management and reward in return of that performance is one of the key area of strategic human resource management. The sixth one is employee engagement. As I said about organizational change, since this is one area for the subject of or for the professionals strategic human resource management, we will devote one chapter separately for employee engagement. The reason is that this construct, employee engagement, has gained a significant attention in the last 10 to 20 years. What is employee engagement? At the moment, very briefly, I would like to say only one thing about what is employee engagement. When employees, they bring their hands, their head, and their heart at workplace, this is what we refer to employee engagement. To engage employees of an organization is one of the key professional area or function of the strategic human resource management professionals. It's not easy and it's not straightforward that employees bring their head, hearts and soul, head, hearts and mind at workplace. Because a lot of recent surveys by professionals, one of the most professional organization that has conducted the surveys whether your employees are engaged or not engaged in the United States and the United Kingdom is the Gallup Survey. Gallup Survey has warned that most of the employees, almost 35% employees at workplace are disengaged. That is giving a warning to the HR professionals and warning to the organization that how many or what percentage of your employees are disengaged in your organization. So ensuring a positive employee work experience aligned with organizational objectives. Employee engagement has gained a popularity not only what professionals have offered or professionals have investigated, but academicians, they have also accepted it as a separate construct. What we mean by separate construct? For example, job satisfaction, motivation, employee efforts, employee performance, work happiness. So these are different constructs. Employee engagement is the same as what the others were, or it is a distinct or a separate construct. Research has discussed, or research has reached at this conclusion that yes, employee engagement is a separate construct, and it is fundamental requirement for the effective functioning of an organization. It is one of the responsibility of human resource professionals to make sure that their employees are engaged for their organization. Thank you.